We're vlogging.
What's up? Welcome back. You guys wanted it, so we're giving it to you. You told us to pick up the shittiest jet ski we could find, and we did. So, we blew 200 bucks on this turd, stripped it completely down, and this is gonna be Nick's race ski. So, I'll let him kind of explain what we're gonna do to it, but this is the piece of shit.
Backyard Brian special. Guys, like Nick said, we got this bad boy for 200 bucks. She's a little rough, but this is gonna be my personal ski. Thanks to Nick's help, it's gonna be pretty stellar. We're gonna go straight to the 90s because we're both 90s babies. So this is Operation Jazz Cup. That's the name of her.
Oh, you're giving it away already?
Got it, man. You gotta let everyone know what's up. So today's video, we're just gonna take you along as we mess around in the garage. So that means no tutorials, no how-tos, maybe a pro tip or two. But other than that, we're just gonna hang out, get sanding on this, because in what, 2 weeks or so, we gotta get this bad boy off the paint. Yep. It is winter, so we gotta get to work on this so we can actually ride next year and not spend our time in the shop.
Yes.
So without further ado, we hope you enjoy this video. We're gonna get to work.
Update. It's been 48 hours. We're still on the fucking nose.
Haven't ate, haven't slept.
Sonny Bono skis horses is hitting some trees. What?
What does it all mean, Basil?
Alright, so we got pretty much this side and part of my side sanded. We're hitting it with 220. And then, like we said earlier, we're going to do like an epoxy primer. Because, like, hopefully you can see it, but it's got a ton of spider cracks. And it's going to be race ski, so we don't care. So we are painting it. Nick is sanding. I'm dicking around with a camera. Because it's not my ski and I don't give a shit. Oh man.
You're my Mr. Miyagi.
It's fine, dude. This is mine. That is your job. You got a nice shot of your butt right now. Versace boxes on my dick.
Working.
Oh yeah, I'm putting that in there.
Alright, status update. Just hit the whole ski with 220.
Hell yeah, we got it all sanded down. Now we're taking off our little, our gas filler neck. So we can sand around this. Then we're gonna take off our seat holder. Take off our oil tank filler. And then we're freaking golden on top. We're gonna take it to the car wash, spray it all down, degrease the whole inside, probably a couple times. Bring it back here, find out any spots that we missed. Then we'll finish the top, flip it over, do the bottom, and then it's off to the spray booth.
Off to the spray booth, getting that classic white.
Like I said, dude, it's a real freaking shame that most of these damn 98s are just impossible to find with a clean top.
Good water. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm gonna help Nick pull this out so he doesn't hurt himself.
Shit, this thing's broken on there.
Oh. Did you get it? Ooh.
We gotta need one of those.
Crusty and trusty, baby.
Crusty is trusty. Here goes. Ready?
Gonna wake the baby.
Don't make that.
Don't wake.
Brand new steering cable that I lost or didn't know was existed. All right.
Back to work, soldier. Alright, that's Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, we're carving some turkey in here. We're taking the foam out of the side so we can do aftermarket sponsons. And if you've ever done this before, it is a bitch. So what we're doing is that it's kind of glued up, so we're gonna try to get it loose first.
Slice and dice, baby.
And then we're just gonna Happy Gilmore it, you know what I mean? Oh, my phone's ringing, bro.
Personal call. Shop time. Had to remove all this foam from the hull so we can put in some aftermarket sponsons. Nikki boy's in there cleaning her out for me.
Chocolate milk.
Oh.
Got chocolate milk situation.
Yeah.
Situation.
So
it's disgusting in here.
we're just getting the foam pieces out of
It
here.
smells like a Christmas elf.
Christmas elf on the
Puked.
shelf.
It just, look at this.
Nice. Well, we're cleaning this out so then we can go to the car wash and get her all nice and pretty on the inside. She'll have nice guts.
If you watched the channel before, you know this is the prep game. The pre-soak, if you will. Got the super clean. The patented weed sprayer trick. Get ready to clean her out. Hosing her down.
It's a secret sauce.
We used to have a guy at work that referred to sex as hosing her down. You ever go to the golf course and hose her down, Jack? First off, my name's not Jack. Second off, no, that sounds awesome.
I just got back from the car wash. Cleaned out the inside of the hull. Nick's fishing out the screws.
Yeah, well, you can't fucking fish out stainless, so you know, there's that.
Magnets don't work on stainless, pro tip. So yeah, there's the inside, plus Nick's head.
Inside came out pretty nice.
Yeah, definitely a lot nicer than what it was before. Oh, you guys can see that.
So now we're just gonna flip her over.
Yeah, we're gonna flip her over and
Find the wet spot.
find the wet spot and then hit her from the bottom.
Yeah.
There you go, there's a better shot of the inside.
Looks, man.
Yeah, so making progress. All right, well that was sketchy. Nice. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was super sketch. But here is the bottom of the hull. Brighten that up a little bit. She's got some character.
It's not all in all, it's not that bad. I mean, it is a black hull, so you're gonna see all those sacrificial marks that you wouldn't see in a different color ski.
Yeah.
Doesn't have any real deep gouges or anything, so that's nice.
Huh, there's some surface.
Yeah, we'll true the chimes up and
Give her a nice little
here you go. Not even bolted in.
give her a nice little makeover. Good thing we didn't lose that.
This is for speed.
Oh, yeah.
When you're in the water?
The last guy said she was a ripper, right?
No, when you're in the water, it kicks out and scoops water in.
You're full of shit. Anyway, so now we're gonna get sanding this black beauty of a bottom.
Black beauty. You're not allowed to say that anymore.
Oh,
You can't say black beauty anymore.
what is it then? Color beauty?
Just a beauty.
Just a beauty?
Just a beauty.
Yeah, here at Today We Wrench, we accept all colors.
Mostly yellow.
Mostly yellow,
Homer
yep.
Simpson.
I was gonna say The Simpsons.
Check the Simpsons out over here, dude.
Oh yeah, here, hold on.
Yellow, yellow,
So there-
yellow, yellow, yellow.
There's Bart. There's Homer. Oh, actually no, Homer's the big one.
Yeah, Homer's a big dog.
There's Homer.
Yeah.
Lisa and Maggie are in the back.
Yeah.
And then there's Marge
Yeah.
with her quote-unquote blue hood.
Yeah.
That's actually my hood.
You know what the worst part is? I fucking hate yellow. I hate it. I don't have any personal skis except for 95 that's yellow. I just despise
Bro,
it.
you got yellow calipers on your car.
No, I don't.
Alright, well, we're gonna get to sanding. See you in a little bit.
here's where we're at. We got the entire bottom sanded out with 180 grit. Everything's really nice and smooth. Like, we trued some of these chines up. Got a little bit more work to do on them, but first we gotta get rid of all these imperfections in the gel coat. So it was hit something there. There's a couple spots back here. So I grinded them out, and now I'm wiping her down with acetone, make sure it's 100% dry and 100% clean. And then we're gonna go back with either some gel coat repair, or I bought some of that body filler with the fiberglass hair in it. I feel like we should use a body filler because it's gonna be the same hardness in my opinion, and we're painting this, we're not gel coating it, so we don't really care.
So it's like Bondo?
Yeah, so, I mean, it's good enough for a Corvette. It's good, what?
Oh, this is the water version of the Corvette.
Yes, I mean, bottom's done, pretty much sanding, like I said. Some more chine work, and then we gotta fix that ride plate before we paint it.
Yeah, and then we still gotta hit the top again at 120.
Yeah, we're gonna flip it over after we repair this shit so it can dry for a while until we can sand it. We got a lot more silicone to remove, but making progress. I mean, we got the engine blasted.
It's behind you.
All the parts. Your exhaust is done.
Exhaust is done.
Yeah, so
Set of order graphics, paint, reassemble.
yeah, if we could paint this thing, dude, we could have it together in no time.
Yeah, but we got some other things
In the fire.
to work. Oh, my hood too. We gotta work on my hood. There's my hood.
Oh fuck yeah, that's a take home project.
Yeah, so that's my take home homework for Christmas break from the Professor Jarman.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the hood that's gonna be on the ski.
Yep, single gauge. Probably do a hump seat with a nice jet trim cover. UMI.
Got some turf bumpers, you know.
Turf bumpers.
The use.
Which will be selling soon.
Yes, website coming soon.
The turf inlay for the grills.
Yes.
For the intake grates. Or what do you want to call those?
I don't
louvers?
know.
Louvers.
Louvers? I call them my knee pads.
The knee louvers.
Yeah, it's when you're straddling this beast, all its power.
Yeah, I don't know how your knees are ever gonna fit up there, but God bless you if you're
Oh, I hug her tight.
You hug it tight, huh?
I hug it tight, yeah. So, all right, well, back to the block party. We're gonna flip her over and start sanding the top again. Okay.
Yeah, we decided not to do the Bondo. We're gonna replace it with the polyester gel resin that we use for our repairs instead.
Yeah, and we don't have a mixer, so we're
Oh
going.
wait, we got the stick though.
We have a mixer stick,
Perfect.
but we're using a red Solo party cup.
I don't remember what the directions said to do.
The ratio.
Yeah. The directions in here? Yeah, fuck it.
I don't know. You open it up so fast. There was a piece of paper in here. There was no.
Yeah. No, it's too late now.
Jarman just beveled out these cracks in the hull. I don't know if you can see that on camera. So we just finished sanding, so we beveled those out. We're gonna fill them so they're nice and smooth. So we got that one and this one here. Yeah, you guys can probably see that. So now that we're done sanding, we're gonna fill those so when we paint it, it'll be nice and smooth. Luckily, those are the only two major ones. This is what she looks like. Nice.
Sunflower seed.
Sunflower seeds? Was this baseball?
This thing's a heat.
Heap of hotness. Oh. So now we're gonna fill those. So you guys will see how that's done. Enjoyed that video. We just wanted to give you an update as to what we've been working on. As you can see here, we finally got my ski all prepped and ready for paint. Sanded the hood.
The hood's mint, dude. The hood's mint. Don't buzz past the hood. Look at the sand job.
It's minty, yeah. You know, a little Scotch-Brite, a little 180. Got the inside all cleaned out, stripped, so it's ready for paint. And then also, we got working on this fat turd. Andrew, if you're out there, this is your ski. We know you've been asking about it. So she's fully stripped, still a little grungy on the inside, so we got to work on that. But our plan is to get both of these in the booth at the same time because they're both going white and black on the bottoms. So we're going to get working on that hopefully next week. and we will also be hopefully getting content for the RXX.
Yes.
We know everyone's been asking about, where's the 951, where's the RXX? Well, it's coming. We just want to get some side projects done so we can enjoy summer this year and not spend it in the garage here.
Yes.
So without all that, I guess that's it, man. That's what we've been doing.
That's it. Paint booth next time?
Yeah, so we're actually gonna try to film that so you guys can see how Nicky Boy does his slick paint jobs. But in the meantime, yeah, that's where we're at, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we'll see you next week.
Peace.
See ya.